I have the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 and I'll be showing you how to choose which workouts you want automatically detected and which ones you don't. So to do this, just swipe up from the watch face to go to the app screen. On the app screen, scroll to settings, and then under settings, scroll to Samsung Health, tap on that. Under Samsung Health, if you scroll, you should see activities to detect. So this is auto workout. You should have this enabled, automatically detect workouts. And then tap on the workouts. And then you can choose which workouts you want automatically detected. So let's say you don't want pull swim to be detected. You can turn that off individually. Then maybe you want running, but you don't want walking automatically detected, so that every time you make a little walk, it's going to start telling you, it's going to record. You can turn that off. If you want it on, you can enable, and you can basically enable and disable specific workouts individually. Now, it's not going to be the full list of workouts. It's going to pick out the most common. That's walking, running, elliptical trainer, rowing machine, pull swim, and dynamic workout. So that's basically how to choose which workouts you want automatically detected and which ones you don't. Now, of course, you can do the same on the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. So on the app, go to band settings, and then in the band settings, go to Samsung Health, and then go to activities to detect, and then choose. Okay, so enable and disable at will. Thanks for watching and good luck.